Hello Bell's Palsyers. If you have been diagnosed with Bell's palsy and are working hard on treating yourself, and you might have spent a lot of time online trying to find some information and looking at what you can do to help you, I would like to go today over a sequence of how you should be doing all of this. So you might have heard about massage, stretching, exercises, applying heat. So I just want to talk to you about these in order. First thing, if you feel very stiff, if your face feels stiff, it's a little achy from the tightness, I would really highly suggest that you apply some heat to your face. One easy way to include this during the day is to just spend extra minutes under the shower, hot shower, and let the warm water run down on your face. And I would not wait too long after you're done with your shower to go on and do the stretching, the massage, and the exercises. So heat first, then self-massage. You want to use a circular motion when you massage. So let's say you're tight here. This is how I would go. And just very gently, you don't want to really yank into it. Just light pressure. Just work on all the spots that you feel tightness. So it could be really all around the area, especially like right around here on the corner of your eye, your forehead, your cheek, right by the corner of your mouth here, as well as by the nose. So this is how you want to spend a few minutes on each spot before you will do some stretching. And there's too many stretching techniques to really cover here. So this is number 3. 1 to heat, massage, stretch, and then do your exercise. And by the time you get to your exercise, you'll have a lot of circulation that has been increased because of all the things you've done before. It'll be more relaxed. It might feel better when you do the exercise. Another thing I should mention is maybe doing your exercise in a quiet place. You don't want any distraction. It's hard enough to really concentrate on seeing and helping those muscles to work. So you might have to isolate yourself, do this in front of a mirror. That would be a great idea. But try to also include some of this stuff during your day. Like I said, with the shower for the heat, so you don't have to really make too much time for that. But for the exercise themselves, you do have to make some time, and you have to dedicate yourself to do this. When I had Bell's palsy several years ago, I had perhaps a mild case, even though I did have flaccid paralysis, and my whole face was not moving at all. My eyes was not closing whatsoever. I was crying for 3 days, but I started right away working on my face, and I got better in less than 2 weeks. So where I was fully recovered. So I think I did all the right things, but do realize that it takes quite a bit of homework and quite a bit of dedication, especially in the first weeks of the diagnosis. So I hope this is helpful. Leave me some comments right underneath the video, or DM me if you have any additional questions. I would love to hear your success stories with Bell's palsy from what I have been posting, or otherwise anything that has worked for you. I would love to hear and for you to share your experience. So have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.